Magnitude 5.7 earthquake, depth 115 kilometers, strikes New Guinea, Papua New Guinea on the 24th of July, 2025. Earthquake subject to change. New Guinea is the world's second-largest island, with an area of 785,753 square kilometers, 303,381 square miles. Located in Melanesia in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, the island is separated from Australia by the 150-kilometer, 81 nautical mile, 93-mile, wide Torres Strait, though both landmasses lie on the same continental shelf, and were united during episodes of low sea level in the Pleistocene glaciations as the combined landmass of Sahul. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.